Hello, everybody. This is the Pure Magnet once again in front of you. And today I'm going to talk to you regarding what does Batman represent, or what does Batman symbolize. As you can see, I have this book. I'm a die-hard fan of this beautiful character, fictional character called the Batman. This is the encyclopedia, and this is another book, Character Encyclopedia. The different characters connected to Batman and Gotham City, the negative characters, the supporting characters of Batman, isn't it? And Batman has many foes, primarily the Joker, the Riddler, Bane, Penguin, Two Face, plenty. So, talking about the superheroes, every superhero has certain ideals, they represent something. For example, Superman, he never lies, he doesn't tell a lie. So, Superman represents truth, and of course, many other things. But what about Batman? Batman is a symbol of incorruptibility. Yes, friends, Batman may represent a lot of things, but principally, he is a symbol of being incorruptible. That is why I love Batman. See, if you look at the character, Bruce Wayne, at his young age, he sees his parents being killed by a thief. So when he went through that emotional and mental trauma, he could have become an evil person. But that trauma made him a better human being. He decides that I am going to do something better, something useful with my life. Similarly, in life, we go through a lot of difficulties, a lot of challenges. So we have two options. We are just left with two options, either to become worse, be revengeful, or to become a better human being. And if you think very deeply into the character of Batman, you can be a Batman, not necessarily wearing a costume, having those gadgets. See, Bruce Wayne trains himself physically and intellectually. Why? Do something useful with his life, to help other people, isn't it? That is what makes Bruce Wayne the Batman. Otherwise, the multimillionaire Bruce Wayne could have enjoyed his life, could have got married, have a family. And why I personally collect to Bruce Wayne is that because I am single. Bruce Wayne, no matter how hard he tries, he is unable to settle down with a woman, get married, have kids. Somehow things do not work. But he makes sure that whatever abilities he has, he makes use of it for the betterment. And going much deeper into that, I mean, leaving aside his talents, his abilities, his thinking skills, his martial arts skills, his gadgets, if you leave that aside, who in core is Bruce Wayne? It is that incorruptible character. He chooses to be incorruptible, and that is why he chooses to become Batman. And if you think deeply about it, who can become incorruptible? That requires a sense of selflessness. When you go through the path of self discovery, you will realize how important it is to be virtuous and selfless. A selfish person cannot become a superhero, cannot become a Batman. So, when a person goes through the journey of self discovery, he realizes that he must do something useful with his life, and that is exactly what Bruce Wayne does. So, you can be a superhero, you can be a Batman, and that is the work of Batman. What he does is, he knows as he grows old, he needs to leave legacy behind. So, he has Robin, other youngsters. So, even if I die, you are the ones, the future people, who are going to carry on the legacy in the Gotham City. So similarly, Batman symbolizes incorruptibility, to be virtuous, to be good. So if somebody asks you next time, what does Batman or Bruce Wayne represent? He represents incorruptibility. And remember, only a virtuous person, only a selfless person can become incorruptible. And just to recall, in the movie The Dark Knight, the great movie Dark Knight, where Heath Ledger says to Christian Bale, "You are truly incorruptible." Yes, the Joker says to the Batman, "You are truly incorruptible, aren't you?" That is one of the best dialogues ever made in any Batman movie. So there it is. Bruce Wayne, the Batman, Mr. Incorruptible. So you can be incorruptible if you want to. Thank you for watching this video.